Hi, welcome to the Shed. I'm Mr. H, and this is our one-a-day musicianship challenge brought to you by Bob Rogers Travel. We're going to get a little deeper into the major scales today, and we are going to memorize our circle of fourths. It's also called the order of fourths. It's the circle of fifths backwards. But you need to get one thing though. You need to get a blindfold because we're going to start to gain functional understanding of this theory knowledge. You have theoretical understanding and functional understanding. Theoretical understanding is when, if you have enough time, you could figure something out. So in the last challenge, you wrote out all the major scales. If you had enough time, if I asked you to spell the key of B, you could spell them all, lower the fourths, go from G flat to F sharp, lower the fourth again, and you can get to B. That would take a long time. In an actual musical situation where you're performing with people, you need to have immediate recollection of these things. So today, we're going to start working on that, and we're going to use our blindfold to prove that you are demonstrating mastery of your major scales. So first things first, let's finish our video. If we take the first note in each key and write them in the circle, we've created the circle of fourths. When you go this way through the circle of fourths, you're adding flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you go this way, you're adding sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now to memorize. C, F, B, E, A, D, G, all flats, B, E, A, D, G. G flat is F sharp. C, F, B, E, A, D, G, all flats, B, E, A, D, G. G flat is F sharp. And now you know it. That's cute. Okay, so let's just say that little saying thing together. C, F, B, E, A, D, G, all flats, B, E, A, D, G. G flat is F sharp. Cool. That's a good way to kind of understand the circle of fourths, but that's not our challenge. Our challenge isn't saying that. So let's go back to the video. When you go this way through the circle of fourths, you are adding flats. And if you know your circle of fourths, then you can memorize when you start adding in flats. And then when you get to our crazy keys, when you get to G flat and F sharp, you start removing sharps. So we're going to use this to our advantage. Now, the musician circle that I hang around with, they have hand signs for different keys. So if I wanted the key of, let's look at our chart here, if I wanted the key of B flat, the key of B flat has 2 flats. So if I wanted to show that to my bandmates without shouting, this song is in B flat, I need some way to visually represent it. So we use fingers down for flat keys, fingers up for sharp keys. So if I wanted to show the key of B flat, it's this. This is the key that has 2 flats. And that's the key of B flat. So the way that I want you to perform this challenge, you are going to say the circle of fourths. You're going to say the circle of fourths at 60 beats per minute. So what I did is I just Googled metronome, and here's a metronome. This works on all devices. There's 56,300,000 results that it got in 0.44 seconds. Pretty impressive, Google. So I'm going to turn on my metronome. And I want you to say the circle of fourths. When you say the circle of fourths, you are going to show me how many flats and sharps are in each key. So all you're doing is counting up for flat keys and then counting down for sharp keys. So you're counting up to 6 and then counting down from 6. So here we go. Oh yeah. To prove that you have mastery of this, that you have a functional understanding. You're going to have to practice this, by the way, not putting on a blindfold. I need to practice putting on a blindfold. You'll need to practice your circle of fourths so that you can do this challenge. Take a video of yourself, 60 beats per minute. This is what you're going to do. You are going to show me, you're going to go through the circle of fourths. You're going to show me your flat keys, and then you're going to show me your sharp keys. Here we go. Here's mine. I'm so ready. 2, 3, 4. C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, F sharp, B, E, A, D, G, C. Ow. Okay. So yeah, I did do G flat and F sharp. Now I didn't show the key of C flat, I didn't show the key of C sharp, but if you remember from last challenge, the key of C flat is just like the key of C, but everything is lowered. So there are 7 notes in the scale, that means that there are 7 flats. Key of C sharp is the same as the key of C, except everything is raised. So there are 7 sharps in the key of C sharp. So that is the challenge. Make sure you get a good blindfold. This is mine, it's a nice Navajo print. Let's look at it a little closer. Look at this blindfold. Come on. Come on, focus. That's nice. We can listen to it too. It's got a nice sound to it, nice crinkle. So find a blindfold that demonstrates that you are working on your functional understanding of this. You're getting closer to being a major scale master. Practice up. Good luck. Wash your hands, and we'll see you in the shed.